Hi guys, welcome to my second tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn um, about the activity life cycle inside Android. Um, on uh, on your Android based mobile phone, it might be possible that there are several applications installed on the mobile phone, and each application has one or more activities. For the demonstration purpose, I'm using three applications: application A, application B, and application C. And each of these application might have one or more activities. And here you can see I have three activities: A, B, and C. These three activities may belong to A, then maybe the three more activities belong to B, or one or more activities belong to C. Let's see what happened inside the activity lifecycle. When you launch your application, it called the onCreate method. Um, this method may take one parameter, and uh, this parameter save the states of your activity. We will talk about another method in this tutorial on save instance state. Um, After the on create activity, your application is started inside your mobile phone, and this indicates that the activity is about to be displayed to the user. Uh, on resume method, this is called when your activity can start interacting with the user. Um, After that, on pause activity may be called. There might be two scenarios. If activity A is calling another activity inside the same program, or uh, another application of your program might call uh, its main activity. For example, you're writing an email or writing an SMS, and during this one of your friend call you, and you will see his incoming call on the mobile device, and um, your email activity may go into the background. Actually, what happened behind the scene is it goes to pause, and the new activity take the place on your mobile device, and your activity A will go to the background. Uh, After that, uh, it might possible that on stop activity is called. In on stop activity, actually this is called when your activity is no longer visible to the user, and it would not be needed for a while. If your memory is tight, if there is a lack of memory, then maybe the system will not call the on stop method, and your activity will be simply terminated by the process. uh, Here comes another method called on restart. If this method is called, it indicates your activity is being redisplayed to the user from a stopped state. Let's your activity is activity A is in a stop state, and when the restart method will be called, it will again display on your mobile device. On destroy is another method. This method is called when your activity is destroyed, like this. Uh, There are two more methods. One is on save instant state and on restore instant state. Let's see one by one. On save instant state, it is called to allow the activity to uh, save the instant state, such as a cursor position within a text field. Usually you would not need to override it because the default implementation saves the state of for all your user interface controls automatically. The second method on restore instant state, this is called when the activity is being reinitialized from a state previously saved by the on save instant state method. It means that these two methods work together. Um, the default implementation restore the state of your user interface. I hope you got a basic idea of the activity life cycle. I will bind it up again that in the Android mobile device it might possible you have bundle of application, and inside these application there will be one or more activities, and inside there's a process, there is a life cycle of these activities which call different methods whenever needed by the system. And these methods are on create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on restore, and on destroy. Beside these methods, on save instance state and on restore instance state is used to save the current state of the activities and to call the previous state of the activity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's see in the next tutorial. And for now, goodbye.